I'm going to give you some information that's going to change every interaction you have with every person you come in contact with from this day forward for the rest of your life. If you share this information with your friends and your family and the people you love the most, maybe today we in this room can change the world just a little bit for the better. So you ready? Here we go.
I met Scott Rouse many, many years ago. Scott has been one of my close friends for a long time. He's had an interesting life, one of the top interrogators in the world, one of the top body language experts in the world. So let's give him a hand and welcome our good friend, Scott Rouse.
Body language expert Scott Rouse, analyzing the answer, sees much more than what Tuia Sissoko is saying. Became suspicious. Turns out Dr. Phil was suspicious too.
Body language expert Scott Rouse sees things much differently. Rouse says the player's smiles are fake.
The reason I stand out in the body language community of speakers, trainers, and teachers is because I bring people out of that caveman era of body language. With updated scientific facts and research, I walk them right into the middle of the modern day. And that's the reason best-selling authors of body language books have me go over their books first. They want to make sure everything is correct before they publish. I train law enforcement and the military in interrogation and body language. I also work with mediators and Fortune 100 CEOs and teach them body language skills as well. So who's the most famous liar of all time? This man. Because we knew, or his village knew, when he lied, his nose grew. But they didn't know it until somebody else in the village told them what was going on. Hey man, you see that wooden kid? Kid made out of wood with the red pants and little hipster hat? When he lies, nose grows. Hand to God. What? You told me? That little cricket?